Hello, my name is Zan Nyan and I'll be talking about the introduction, motivation, and responsibility of the project Money Wallet. Our group member consists of Htet Oo Thu, Kaung Khant San, Thant Ko, me, Zan Nyan, and Wai Yan Moe Lwin. The software description for this project is that this is a budget tracking application written by using the Thunkable platform. User can set an initial balance, track their income and expenses, and view their summary. It is simple, easy to use, and can help the user manage their finances. The motivation behind this project is that we are driven to create a mobile wallet app that simplifies money management. Our goal is to make it easy for users to track their income, expenses, and view their transaction history and balances. Through this project, we aim to learn more about data storage and user-friendly design, ultimately helping people take control of their finances effortlessly. The responsibility for each member of the group for this project is for application development. Wai Yan Moe Lwin and Thant Ko take this part. For the flowchart part, it is mainly done by Htet Oo Thu, Kaung Khant San, and me, Zan Nyan. The user interfaces and the application design is taken by Kaung Khant San, and the user manual is done by Htet Oo Thu. The final documentation for this project is done by Thant Ko, Wai Yan Moe Lwin, and me, Zan Nyan.
Hello, my name is Htet Oo Thu. I will explain a little bit about our money wallet application. First of all, the user have to input their money amount. Now I'm going to input my money amount. And then you will see the main screen. Your balance will be hidden due to the privacy. You can see your amount by clicking the button. And if you want to add money, click income button and enter your amount that you want to add. You can add the note if you want, but it is optional. If you want to use your money, click expand button. You can write the amount as much as you want. However, the withdrawal amount is higher than your original balance. Your remaining balance will display the negative value. You can see the summary and the history right here. And in history, you can check the detailed information. In the setting, you will see the user manual, about us, and clear data. User manual is the instruction of how to use this application. You can see the developer information in about us. And finally, if you want to clear the data, just click the button. This will delete the whole information, which include your history and also your balance. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Wai Yan Moe Lwin. Now we are talking about the software design of the key features of the application. In the starting screen, we initialize all the required variables for the whole application. Then we get data from our database and assign to variable. Row number represents the index of the last entry in the database. Then we check if the database is empty. During creation, there was an error that when we share the application, the values of all data in the database become the string Thunkable. So we check if there is an error, if there is such an error. If the database is empty or the above mentioned error occurs, it means that this is the first time use of the application for this user. So we clear all the data in the database and take the user to initial balance screen. Otherwise, the user will be taken to the main menu. All this happens as soon as the screen opens, so the user doesn't need to do anything. In initial balance screen, when user click the confirm button, we will take the text input and check if it's a non-negative number. If it is not, we will show an error. Then the confirmation message will be set. The current date and time will be recorded. Once confirmed, we will assign input value to the variable. We will increase the row number by 1. We set balance to initial balance. Then we insert these values into the array variables we created. After that, we create a new row in the database and set values accordingly. Then we navigate to the main menu. When main menu screen opens or the search is clicked, we will show or hide the balance according to the search value. Clicking buttons will navigate to other screens. For example, clicking income screen will navigate to income screen. When income screen opens, we will show current balance. Once confirm button is clicked, input amount and note will be stored in the variable. When confirmation message is confirmed, we will set balance to balance plus amount. Then the next processes are very similar to initial balance screen. We apply the variable, the database, and the display balance. If the back button is clicked, the user will be taken back to the main menu. The expense screen also operates in the same way as the income screen. The only differences are that the expense amount is stored as a negative value and other places income PRs are changed to expense.
Hello, my name is Thant Ko. I am going to talk about the remaining slider features. This is the go block and flowchart for history screen. When we open the screen, the data URL list will be displayed first. Then, when we click each item from the list, and the row object variable will get the data from the slider row number of the data sheet. And it goes to history detail screen, where the detail of the slider item are displayed by getting the corresponding property from row object. And the other slider feature is summary. When we open summary screen, the initial value of total income, total expense, net income, and remaining balance will be set into 0 first. Then we take the data from row list, type list, and amount list. We loop according to the row list and check whether the type is income or expense. If the type list is income, we will add the amount to the total income variable. If the type list is expense, we will add it to the total expense variable. Then we loop and calculate all the data in the sheet. After getting total income and total expense, we calculate net income by adding total income and total expense. Remember that the total expense is in negative value. We also calculate total balance by adding initial balance to the net income. Then we display them on the screen. The last feature is clearing all data from setting. If we click clear button, the row list, amount list, and type list will be set into empty list. The balance will also set into 0, and the data will be clear. After clearing the data, the program will lead you to setting the initial balance section.
Hello, my name is Kaung Khant San, and I'm going to be talking about version history. In the first version of the software, we included only main features like menu, adding income, adding expense, and history table. And then in next version, we adjusted the history table to get data from the Google Sheets, which improved the loading speed a lot. And then we also added new features like summary, clear detail, and history detail. In the next version, we fixed bugs, and then we also added new feature like new UI design, loading screen, about us, user manual. And then next version, again, we fixed bug and improved performance. And then we added new features like initial balance, setting, and hide and show balance. And in the next version, again, we fixed the bugs because we have a lot of bugs, and then we fixed the summary. And then next version, the summary has a lot of bugs, so we have to fix it again. And finally, we added the user interface by adding some colors, moving the buttons where everyone can reach, which is user-friendly for everyone. In conclusion, our journey in developing this mobile money wallet app using Thunkable has been an invaluable learning experience. Despite Thunkable's limitation in terms of interface customization and feature options, it provided a robust foundation for our project. Looking forward, our team remains committed to leveraging our extensive knowledge of programming logic, along with essential skills like effective teamwork, polished presentation abilities, and unwavering motivation. Our future vision for this mobile wallet app revolves around harnessing advanced programming techniques to elevate user interface design and overall quality. We are unwavering in our dedication to pioneering innovation in the realm for many wallets, ensuring a future-ready solution that is user-friendly, dependable, and at the forefront of technology. And that's all for our presentation today, and thank you for giving your time.